Easy part. Oh man, look at that.
Right there's the end we're looking for right there.
Oh my goodness.
Here's a $600 sticker. Man, it looks good, don't it?
I'd say. They've actually got the they've got both old style and new style, aren't they?
Huh. Oh, them are nice. Look at that flat right there.
That's right. See them combustion chambers, see what they look like. Are they 64? Is that what they are?
Right.
Yep. Oh gosh.
Them's gonna be nice.
That's right, dude. See, even the ass cast is still pretty
Slick. You gonna work on that?
I don't think y'all mess with them myself. We could take a little of that casting imperfection out of there, but
You could do the Scotch Brite treatment, couldn't you?
yeah, you could just polish them a little bit. My goodness.
You look good, don't you?
I'd say, brother. Them are sweet.
Yes, sir. Okay, it's Saturday morning. We drove all this way south and it's like 30 degrees with wind advisories for the day, but at least the sun is shining. And we were so tired last night when we got here, the Lord just melted into the bed. Truck did unreal on the way down here. I'm getting to where it always shocks me because of how it started out, but anyway, it just did great. Did decent on gas, even though gas is crazy. But we actually went, Bucky's gas prices was, on 93 was cheaper than anywhere by a lot. And that place is nuts.
Even back home, it's not that cheap.
Yeah. And like super was only
$4.78, I believe.
$4.78, which is way cheaper than it is anywhere else. But if you ever get a chance to go to a Bucky's, definitely go. It was an experience. That place is nuts. And we're going to go hopefully get some good breakfast and ride around, and we're going to ride to where the track's at. And hopefully it's so cold, nothing's going on there, and we can walk around and look at it a little bit. And we're just going to ride some back roads and sightsee and take it easy, because yesterday was an absolute thrash to get the truck together, and we left way late, but made it here in a decent time. But we'll check back in if we find anything cool today. Thank you.
And we're back. We're in Columbia, Alabama at 10 Top Barbecue. Just had some brisket for breakfast, and man, it was amazing. And we're fixing to go do some back road riding and looking around, and we'll do a little sped up vid for the highway traveling, or the back road traveling, and check back in with you. Thanks for watching, and hope you like this content. This is something a little bit new we're trying on this free power tour shakedown run for Old Tan, and gonna have some good footage tomorrow, hopefully, when we go to the driver's ed for drifters. We'll check back in with you. Thanks for watching.
You just want